Hey Aniket, have you ever learned about Bengal tigers? They're fascinating creatures.
I know a bit about them. They're the largest of the tiger subspecies, right, Arya?
Exactly. Bengal tigers are the biggest of all tiger subspecies. Males can weigh up to 600 pounds and measure over 10 feet long, including the tail. They're
That's impressive. What kind of habitat do they prefer?
they're quite adaptable. Bengal tigers live in various habitats, including tropical forests, grasslands, and even mangrove swamps. Their range spans across India and into parts of Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, and Myanmar.
That's a diverse range. What about their behavior? Are they social animals?
Not really. Bengal tigers are solitary. They prefer to live alone except during mating or when a female is raising her cubs. They're also territorial, marking their territory with scent markings.
Interesting. How do they hunt? And
They're powerful predators. They primarily hunt large herbivores like deer and wild boar, but they can also take down larger prey like buffalo. They rely on their stealth and strength to ambush their prey. Breeding
and how do they reproduce?
usually happens between November and April. After a gestation period of about 3 months, a female gives birth to a litter of 2 to 4 cubs. The cubs stay with their mother for around 2 years before becoming independent.
That's a long time to depend on their mother. What's the current conservation status of Bengal tigers? It's
They're classified as endangered. Their numbers are threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and conflicts with humans. Conservation efforts are in place, including anti-poaching measures and habitat protection.
it's crucial that we protect them. They're not just beautiful but also an important part of the ecosystem.
Absolutely. They play a key role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. Plus, they hold a special place in various cultures, symbolizing power and grace.
I agree. It's essential to support conservation efforts to ensure their survival for future generations.